Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you step by step how to create automations in Brevo, which you may know as Seni Din Pavel. So Brevo is a fantastic email marketing tool and it is an automation feature that lets you shave tons of time while keeping your audience engaged 24 by 7 hours. So grab a copy and let's get your first automations up and running in just a few minutes. So first of all, you just need to log in and find the automation sections. So before you start all the things, you just need to log in on your Brevo dashboard at brevo.com. And once you are logged in, look at the left hand sidebar and just click to the automations. Once you click over here, this is your hub for all workflows. You can manage, edit or create new automations here, and you just need to click on create your first automations. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now you are able to create your automation from that place. You just need to choose a workflow or start from the scratch. Like Brevo gives you pre-built templates to make things easier, like welcome emails, abandoned cards, reminders, vertical routines, or re-engagement campaign. If you new templates are a great place to start, but to understand how it works, let's choose create a custom workflow. So you see how to build on from scratch. Give you workflow a clear name, for example, new subscribers welcome series, so you can easily find it bits. So build with the new editor, it will be the scratch one. Just click over that place and here it will take a couple of minutes. So from that place it will redirect you to here. So click on let's go and it will take a couple of minutes. So you just need to set up your trigger. So first of all, you need a trigger. This is what starts the automation. So let's select a trigger. So here we have a couple of options like contact, from, email, deals, website, then custom event. So a common example is contact joins the list. So I will go with the contact and here you can see that contact added to a list. So select the list you want, for example newsletter, subscribe or customer. This means whenever someone sign up, the workflow will automatically kick in. Click the next. So I will with this one. So here, so select the one marketing automations, click this one and select one identifications and then just click to the save and we find out our trigger options. Now we are going to add your first actions. What will happen? Now it's time to add your actions. What should happen after someone sign up? You just need to click onto the add actions and here you just need to choose one. You can choose send an email from that place. So let's find out this one, send an email, and let's paste it here. And here actually you can see that send email option already been work. Give your email a catchy subject like welcome to the family and write a warm message, maybe include a special offer, a link to your website for a free resource. So here you can see you just need to provide a subject. Let's write a subject welcome our family, and you can add preview text. Let's leave it this way and now click to the save. The needs content, the email needs, okay, even that triggered the automations, okay, no event data, okay, that's latest instant of the event. Okay, now click to the save. Which event we just need to be select. Okay, the email does not have variables. Okay, this one will be quite good. So the email, you just need to be select a template, select the template from that place. So you can see the basic template here, you can use one of them, use template. Let's click this one and here this is the template we are going to use in our automations. Okay, that's great. So I will click on preview and test. Use this design in automation, just click this button and it will connect it with your automations. So now you just need to make it smarter with delays and conditions. So how you can do it? You just need to go over here. For example, after the first email, click add a delay, maybe wait 3 seconds, and then like you can add rules over here. Here we have 4 options like time delay, conditional speed, percentage speed, wait until an event happens. For example, after the first email, you just click add a delay, maybe wait 3 days, then add another action, send another email. This could be a follow-up, like here's what you might have missed. Want to get fancy, add a condition. For example, if a contract open the email, send them one follow-up, otherwise send them a reminder. This makes your automation feel personal and relevant. Now in the next step, you just need to test and activate your workflow. Once you are happy with your flow, double check everything. The trigger is correct, your email looks good, delays and condition makes sense, and Brevo lets you run a test. Always test before you go live. When you are ready, just click activate automations and it will be activated. So now let's give you a bonus tip that keep your automation simple at first. Once you are comfortable, you can build more advanced flows like abandoned cart emails for e-commerce, birthday greeting, or PIP customer sequence. And that's it for today. You have just set up your first Brevo automation for 2025. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment if you would like a full Brevo series. I'm happy to cover more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next